What's stopping you from creating content or earning money through freelancing? I believe one thing might be you don't have a high-end laptop, or you don't know how to use high-end softwares or paid softwares. So these are the probable reasons why you're not creating content or you're not earning anything through freelancing. Of course, like freelancing is a very popular way of earning these days because everyone can now earn money, whether you are a student or whether you're already working and want to make some extra works as a side hustle. So freelancing is a popular choice to make money online, but most of the people don't know how to utilize the free resources available, how to utilize the mobile phone or smartphone that you have. In this video I will explain how you can use your smartphone to earn money as a freelancer or to create content and become a content creator. This video has no specific target audience. If you know how to use your smartphone, or if you are already having a smartphone, I believe you have one, then this video will definitely help you. By the end of this video you will go with the satisfaction and you are ready to start earning through your smartphone. Let's get into the video first. First things first, all the apps and all the websites that I will suggest in this video are used by me in the past, and I am using some of these apps currently as well. So I'm not just suggesting blindly without having awareness of those apps. I know these apps and I have already used them. The reason why I combine content creation and freelancing is because if you don't want to become a content creator, you don't want to create content, but still you can use these skills to earn money as a freelancer, because there might be many content creators who needs the services of a freelancer. So both the ways it will help you. Please watch the video till then. In the end I will also suggest some bonus tips and suggestions on how I create content using smartphone. First thing, video editing. So video editing is most demanding freelancing skill these days. If you are a content creator, the essential element to become popular in any social media platform is the quality of the video. And even as a freelancer, video editors are paid high. So if you know video editing, you will be paid a lot. There were many content creators and brand who would pay up to 10k per single video that you edit. So video editing is undoubtedly a demanding skill. But how can you use your mobile phone to edit videos? So in general I use an app called InShot for most of my videos. Of course there were some videos where I would use high-end softwares, but still it is manageable in mobile phone. Don't have a laptop, there is an app called InShot. You can edit videos like a pro in that app, and it is available for free users as well, but you need to bear with ads. If you don't want ads, like, the charge is also very minimal. You can get in the range of 100, you can get a yearly plan. But still, if you don't want to spend even 100, you can use that for free with some ads. But it is a very good tool. You can add graphics, you can add music, you can remove noise, you can do all the basic video editing features in InShot. And there is also other app called KindMaster, but it is paid, you will get watermark. But yeah, if you don't want watermark, I suggest InShot is the best video editing app. So this is one thing that you can do. It might be for creating content or it might be for earning money as a freelancer. InShot is the app that I recommend for video editing. And the second skill is designing. So graphic designing is also equally a very important skill, similar to video editing. It has many different options to earn from. It might be creating thumbnails, it might be creating social media posters, whatever it might be. There is an app called Canva. You might have already aware of this app. There is also a free version of it. You can also use it for free. Here, like, you can create YouTube thumbnails. You will find many existing templates in Canva. You can edit them and you can customize it according to your needs. You can create your own thumbnails or you can create thumbnails for someone else. Even for thumbnails, people will pay up to 5,000 for each thumbnail if you are a professional. But at least minimum you can earn around 700 to 800 easily for each thumbnail that you create. So I recommend Canva for people who want to become a graphic designer. It is very easy to use app. You don't need Photoshop live knowledge. You can simply drag and drop and you can do that in your mobile itself. So this is one area which is quite popular and has lot of opportunities to earn. Another thing is stock photos and stock videos. So if you're editing videos or if you're editing graphic thumbnails or whatever it might be, if you're making a content, you need some free videos and free photos to put in between the videos. Like, even if you're watching this video, I have placed some stock videos and stock photos in the middle. So you need them, right? And you cannot blindly put whatever available in the internet. No, there will be some copyright claims and copyright strikes that might affect your video or once you upload them. Don't do that. You need to use stock photos and stock videos. Stock photos or stock videos, in the sense they are copyright free, you are free to use them. There is an app called Pexels which I use to download copyright free images and videos. You will search whatever you want and you can literally download them for free, and you can add them without any copyright issues. So even as a freelancer, if you're doing the video editing or graphic design stuff, this is a go-to app that you need to have in your mind. A next important step in content creation is identifying trends. See, if you don't know what content to create, like what is trending, what people actually watch, then ultimately your content is of no use. So there are apps like Google Trends, which is a web app, but you can use that in your mobile. Just search for Google Trends in Google, you will get that. So in Google Trends you will get to know what is something which is trending. It might be in India, it might be in United States, it might be across the world. You will get to know what are the things that are trending in Google. So the reason why you need that is because if you know what's trending, if you create content based on that, your video will get more views and more people will search for the content and your video will appear. So it is very important to have knowledge of what's trending. So Google Trends is something that I recommend. Apart from Google Trends, I also use Twitter and LinkedIn. If you follow the right people, let's suppose you are a finance content creator, if you follow finance pages and finance influencers on LinkedIn and Twitter, you will get to know the latest updates about what's going on in your particular niche, so that you can create content based on what's trending and what's new. It is also important to make your feed organized. So I recommend Google Trends, Twitter and LinkedIn to identify trends. And next important part is research. You know what content to create, but you cannot blindly create content without doing research, right? You need to know what to cover in a specific video. You need to prepare a script. Earlier days it was a time taking task, but thanks to ChatGPT, with the help of ChatGPT you can directly do research and you can create a script for your video in minutes. All you have to do is, like, you just need to ask ChatGPT the right prompts. You know what content to create, just ask ChatGPT, I want to create a content on this particular so and so topic, can you suggest me an outline, or can you explain like what and why of that particular topic. And if you want to research about more stuff, you can do that as well. With the help of ChatGPT you can do research easily and you can create your script or outline in minutes. So it is also very important thing that you have, and you can use ChatGPT in your mobile as well. You don't need a laptop even for this, you can use smartphone for this as well. And other important thing is scripting and note taking. So you research everything on ChatGPT, you prepared some stuff, but you need to store that in some place, right, so that you will make everything organized. I will suggest an app called Notion. Notion is a free to use app again. So in general I use Notion to prepare script, to prepare outline, to manage my to-do list. So everything, it's a note taking. You can use it as a note taking or calendar or scripting app, I can say. You can write down what are all the things that you want to create. You can make a to-do list, you can write down the script here, you can share that with fellow people as well. Now the other part is keyword research. Creating content is not just about shooting video or editing the video and making it live. You also need to take care of keyword research, what titles to put, what keywords to add in the video. So this is also very important stuff. In general people will call it meta information. See, in YouTube if you upload a video, you will be asked to add some keywords. So how to know those keywords? There is an app called vidIQ which will help you to do keyword research instantly. There is also free version available, you can download and use it directly. All you have to do is connect your YouTube channel, and if you upload a video you can search for a particular topic or the title of your video. It will recommend you all the trending keywords on that niche, so that you can add keywords easily. So if people search using those keywords, your video will appear and your video will get popular easily. So vidIQ is a popular tool for keyword research and you can use it for free in your smartphone. Last important thing is copyright free music. So this is also important. I have suggested copyright free images and videos using Pexels app, but what you need to add music in the background. So that is also important, right? For many of the creator, many of the niches, music is also important. Copyright free music plays an important role. So there is an app called YouTube audio library, so that is free, anyone can use that app. So you will find some free tunes and free music bytes there. You can download them for free and you can use them wherever you want. They will not get affected by copyright. So that is the advantage of YouTube audio library. So these are all the free smartphone apps that you can use to create content or to earn through freelancing. But the thing is, like, there were also pro versions available for all the apps that I've mentioned. If you feel that you're getting value out of them, you can upgrade to premium versions slowly. But the thing is, they are free to start. You can literally start them for free and do your work for free. If you feel like you're getting more value, you can upgrade to premium versions easily. But the thing is, you don't need a laptop here. You can just create content, or you can just earn through freelancing using these smartphone apps. I believe it would be helpful, and as I said, I will also suggest some tips and suggestions. So if you want to change backgrounds, so I use green screen in general. So if you can see in the back, like, you're seeing some background, but the thing is, I have used a green screen here on my back. So it costs around 150 or 200. You will find the links in the description. You can just put them in your back. And in apps like InShot or KineMaster, there is an option called chroma effect. If you apply that, that will be replaced with the image that you choose. So it is very simple. Like, if you feel like you don't have fancy or rich background in your room, then ultimately green screen will really help you. So this is something which is very handful. Again, if you want to know the equipment that I use, you will find the links in the description as well. You can also check them out if you are interested to purchase anything for your YouTube setup or content creation setup. I hope this video would give you some insights on how to start content creation or how to start freelancing just using your smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. For many more passive income idea, many videos on latest technologies, AI and other stuff, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.